Smoke alarms being credited with saving lives during a fire in Queensbury. The flames broke out at 18 Kitchell Lane early yesterday morning. Investigators say that fire started in the garage and spread into the attached two-story home. It is considered a total loss. The two people inside made it out of the home safely after being awakened by the smoke detectors.
All the occupants and their pets were safely out of the residence upon our arrival. This was due in large part, to the fact that they had working smoke detectors that alerted them to the fire, and they were able to safely evacuate the building.
So check your smoke detectors. It took crews more than 5 hours to knock down the fire, and the good news is that no one was hurt.